everybody, Chad from Nitro Trailers, and I'm going to go over with you our 8.5 by 24 XPS trailer. Let's take a look. So this model is our BC edition, which is a special edition trailer that we built for my, it's actually, believe it or not, my former boss, who was a former trailer manufacturer who was the original starter of Nitro Trailers, a name that you may be familiar with in the industry. Another company has since bought the rights to the name. He came to Nitro to look for his new snowmobile trailer for this year. So come on in, let's take a look. So some of the features we have in this is we went with oversized side access doors, 38 by 78. Makes it a little easier to get in and out with a helmet on. And instead of your traditional fuel door back here, we went with a full access door, so that way you didn't have to worry about opening the fuel door, walking in the front door, grabbing the pump, filling your machines up. So easy to walk right in. Real quick on the electrical stuff. As you see here, we have our rear canopy with our recessed LED lighting. Shines up the back gate good at night. Move over to here, we have our in-house made 4-piece tie-down bar holder and our ratchet strap hanger that we also designed and manufactured in-house on a nice carpeted backer to keep the walls clean. We've also added a special touch. Something new to us is we put some wall mount lighting to try to give it a little extra effect when, you know, if you're down working on your sleds at night or trying to get a better eye on something. 2 flip down fold benches. These things are a must when you get your gear on. So both these flip down, close up tight up against the wall. We have added a 3rd row of tie down bar track here. This was customer request. They want to use a tie down bar to hold their rear suspensions down instead of the traditional way of doing it with a ratchet strap. We went with the black ceiling in this unit with these flush mount LED lights, which gives it a super clean look, as well as the white aluminum sidewalls. I'll move up a little bit more. This trailer is equipped with a 30,000 BTU heater, propane heater, ducted out at a 45-degree angle to the back of the trailer as well as the front of the trailer, and also heat into this cabinet. In this cabinet, we have our 12-volt battery, a battery tender, so that if you want to be plugged in at home, it'll charge the battery. It's also has a charge wire to the truck, so while the truck's running, the trailer's plugged in, it's also charging the battery. Below the cabinet is your 12-hook jacket, pant, bib, clothes hanger, as well as more LED lights on the floor. This is our quad ply deck. It's like a non-skid deck. It's become very popular over the years. Something that we really like. Spare tire mount. This is a custom cabinet we built for the customer. Let's take a look out here. We have upgraded, customer asked for track mats and ski guides on the ramps only, so we upgraded them to the non-skid caliber grip glides, as well as a 12-volt electric jack here on the front. And we have some extra marker lighting up across the top. So this thing looks super cool at night. This is the 110-volt power outlet, so that supplies the power to the outlet inside the cabinet. We went with the blackout package, blackout trim, so all white, black trim. This is a new trim for us, 6-inch bottom trim, new 4-inch top trim, all black wheels, midship turn signal, and we touched it off with our custom BC Edition 2.0 edition trailer. And we'll talk about what the 2.0 is in a little bit.
Hi, my name's Bill Cleaves. I recently had this custom trailer built by Nitro Trailers, Chad's company. And as you look at it and walk around it, you'll see it is the finest quality built trailer on the market. There's no better. And I know a thing or two about trailers because I was the original founder of SnowPro back in the 90s. And Chad worked with me on that crew and ran the custom department, and we've remained friends ever since. And this trailer, when you walk around it, you'll see it is like the most awesome trailer. I had it built as a purpose-built snowmobile trailer, but it could be used for anything. You could haul cars in it. You could haul ATVs, Jeeps, any of your favorite outdoor activities, dirt bikes, you name it. Trailer could work for it. But you know, the type of riding I do now, I wanted a top-notch, top quality trailer that I can have heated. So when I get to a remote destination, I can get in the trailer, change up after I unload my sleds. You get back, you got a nice heated spot to change up afterwards. And again, I mean, I don't think you'll find a better quality built trailer in the world. It's the best.
Hey everyone, so we just talked about our 8.5 by 24 XPS BC edition, and we're going to tell you what makes this BC edition the 2.0 edition. So BC edition 1.0 was a trailer that it's very similar to this trailer that we built for my former boss, and he was one day away from picking it up, and we had just a few finishing touches left on it. And over the weekend of December 8th, 15th, 16th, 17th, the trailer actually got stolen. So we're still in hopes that we are able to find it. We're going on 3 weeks now. We have not been able to find the trailers. So we had to rebuild BC Edition, and now we have BC Edition 2.0. And why it's 2.0 is because we had to make a few modifications just so that we didn't have the exact same identical trailer. And some of those modifications were as we changed some exterior trim, a few layout items. It's all here in pieces. It's just in a little different location, a few different trim colors. Our rear tie-down bar and strap hanger locations, as well as the carpeted backer. And yeah, that's pretty much it.